Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. I have this hair tool right here. It looks so cool. The packaging is really nice. BeachWaver. Today I'm going to be trying the BeachWaver. So I got this one from the BeachWaver website and I actually received it just like this. It literally had the label right here and it was like the cutest thing ever. I like how they kind of just shipped it just like this. They didn't even put it in a box or anything, which was interesting. But yeah, I'm going to be curling my hair today and I'm going to use this one. I'm going to open it up. This is a honest review. This cost me about 50 bucks. I got a very nice sale on this hair tool. This one retails for like 110, 120 bucks, I think. And I was able to get it for like $50 because they had a 60% discount. So I'm going to link it down below. Maybe they still have the discount going on or maybe they have some sales going on. The BeachWaver is very easy to use. I've used one before, but I actually used it maybe like a year ago. I did get one for a review and I actually really like it. I just don't use it because I have other curling irons that I like a little bit more, but I'm excited to try this one. This is a 1-inch curling iron and this has a couple of different heat settings. I'm gonna get into that in a little bit, but first you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're enjoying Vlogmas so far. I have another video coming tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that until Christmas. So yeah, subscribe if you're liking my channel so far. I have so many videos coming soon, a lot of hair videos, a lot of clothing hauls and random stuff. So yeah, let's get right into the video. This has 3 different heat settings. So it has low, which is 290 degrees Fahrenheit, medium 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and high, which is 410 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, this one's different. It doesn't have a home button. The home button is supposed to bring the hair tool back to the center so it's easier to use. So, I don't know how I feel about that. I really like that home button from the last one that I tried because it's just so easy to use. I'm gonna put my hair up. I have been using this heat protectant from IGK. It's so good. This is the Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. And this is supposed to protect your hair from the heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's supposed to add shine to your hair. And it's supposed to control frizz. I just feel like this really does add so much shine to my hair. I just add it like this. And I like that this is like a dry product. It's like a dry spray. I would compare this to maybe like how hairspray would feel, but it's not sticky. It feels like dry shampoo almost. I don't have to wait for my product to dry if it's wet so that I can put extreme heat on my hair, which is like a curling iron, a straightener. If you're using a blow dryer, you should be fine. If you use like a wet heat protectant, like a liquidy product, if that makes sense. But sometimes, since my hair is very, very curly, when I use like heat protectants that are more liquidy and more of a wet product, my curls kind of start to come through. Even if I just spray a little bit of product, my hair starts to get a little bit like wavy and a little bit frizzy. So yeah, I love this heat protectant because it's like a dry spray. It's just so good. It's like genius. I think that's the first time that I see a heat protectant or like a prepping spray being like dry like that. They also have these 2 that are wet products and I like to use these before I blow out my hair. So I like to use the balm first and then I like to use the prep spray, the 4-in-1 prep spray. Those products are perfect to use before a blowout when your hair is wet or damp. So I'm going to use my Julie brush to detangle my hair. If you guys want to check out this brush, I'm going to link it down below. It's a perfect Christmas gift and it's great to use on wet curly hair as well. It's like very gentle on my natural curls. But yeah, I just like to detangle my hair before putting heat on my hair, before, you know, doing anything to my hair pretty much. But guys, look at that shine. Already my hair looks shiny and yeah, it's definitely the IGK products. I'm telling you, I used these 2 products before blowing it out on wet hair and then I just used this one just now to protect my hair from the heat. So totally recommend them. Check it out. So I just turned this on and I put it in the highest heat setting because we're just gonna go straight to the highest heat setting. And this hair tool is so easy to use because you just basically click the button that is away from your face and that way it's gonna curl the hair away from your face. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do that in a little bit, but first I'm gonna let this warm up. Okay, so it's still warming up. It's been about a minute, so I'm just gonna give it some time. Some hair tools warm up in literally like 10 seconds. So for me to wait like a couple minutes, I get a little impatient, but it's fine. 2-3 minutes, that's nothing, you know, like I gotta chill. Okay, it warms up in about a minute or two, so not bad at all. Basically what you have to do is clip the ends. If you have layers, this might be a little bit of an issue, as you can see, but you just click the button away from the face and just bring it in. The other BeachWaver that I tried has another feature. I think it's that you're able to kind of switch the speed of the rotation, but this one doesn't have that. Nice curl, look at that. Very nice and simple, just like a very small curl. So now I'm gonna do this section right here. I guess if you have layers, you can also just clip it, bring it up, open the clamp a little bit, and then keep bringing it up, slowly bring it down, and keep bringing it up. So I guess that could work as well. There you have it. Very nice. So this is definitely gonna curl your hair very quickly. I wish this had a home button like the other one, but it doesn't. That's so strange. Anyways, this is actually very easy to use. I'm very impressed. I like just starting from the middle like this and just bring it up, open a little bit, and then bring it up. I like that with this hair tool you don't feel scared of like burning your fingers or anything. That's a big plus. I really like that about this hair tool, because sometimes when you're using just like a regular wand and you have to use your finger to wrap your hair around the wands, you can burn your fingers. Not like it always happens, but it has definitely happened to me, so yeah. So far the curls are very nice. I'm just gonna keep doing other sections. So this time I'm gonna clip it a little bit more towards the bottom, just to try to get the most in the wands, and then slowly bring it up. So I just leave it there for about 5 to 10 seconds. You don't have to leave it on your hair for too long, especially at the highest heat setting. I think that should be enough. Beautiful! Wow, I love it. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna clip it maybe right there. Bring it up a little bit. I'm gonna open the clamp just a little tiny bit. Bring it down to the ends and then bring it all the way up. Honestly though, this for $50 to $60 is not bad. If you're able to get a nice discount, definitely take advantage of it, because wow, I mean the curls are looking super nice. I like to curl all the way to the ends, but I know some people like to leave the ends out. So there you have it. These curls are so nice. And now I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna bring this back and I'm just gonna start working on this side. But so far this is like super easy to use. Maybe it's because I used a BeachWaver before, but you should be able to get the hang of it. I don't think it's hard to use at all. Okay, so this is away from the face. There you go. Just gonna leave that for about 10 seconds. So I feel like this is something that a lot of people would like to try if they're just getting started with like curling their hair. If you can spend a little bit of extra money and get the one that has the home button, definitely recommend checking that one out. I like it more than this one. Maybe this is like an older version of the other one that I tried, but I'm surprised this doesn't have a home button, because that home button is definitely helpful. It makes a huge difference. I like how you're able to take pretty big sections with this. Like that's a pretty big section, and my hair is not getting tangled at all. It's curling my hair pretty well. So far I'm pretty impressed, and I really like this hair tool. I just feel like the home button is definitely necessary for this hair tool. So I mean, maybe this is just like a cheaper alternative, I guess, to the other one, so that's why maybe it doesn't have the home button, but I feel like it needs it. It's missing that. I'm pretty sure they have other sizes too. Like they have bigger barrels, they have smaller ones. So yeah, definitely check out their website if you want to see maybe like a bigger size, a smaller size. But I think the 1 inch is like pretty good. I feel like you can never go wrong with a 1 inch curling iron, because you can make the curl a little bit looser if you want with like a brush or your fingers. And these curls do last a little bit longer than like bigger curls. And if you want these curls to be even tighter or even like longer lasting, you can clip them and set them for like 30 minutes, add hairspray, and so that's gonna give you like a very bouncy curly look instead of a more like wavy look, which is when you would like use a brush to kind of loosen up the curls. I definitely like to have 1 inch curling irons. I definitely use those a lot more than any other size. So if I had to choose one size, I would choose the 1 inch for sure. Alright guys, I am almost all done. I'm doing the last curl right now, and then I'm just gonna touch up some of the curls that might need a little bit of extra help. So this is what my hair looks like. I love the final look. What do you guys think? I definitely recommend going in with a brush just to kind of loosen up the curls a little bit. It gives it a more natural look. This hair tool was so easy to use. I definitely recommend checking it out. I do recommend checking out the one that has the home button though. I like that one a little bit more. I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can check it out. The home button basically just brings the clamp from, for example, like here to the center, and then you're just able to kind of do everything a lot quicker. This one was fine too. I mean, after a little bit you do get the hang of it. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe because I have so many videos coming soon. It's Vlogmas. I have another video coming tomorrow, so yeah, subscribe. I have a lot of fun videos that I have scheduled for you guys. So you have to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the videos coming. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye-bye.